working to play. Alright, checking in. I have some bathroom videos that I needed to show you guys and stuff like that, but working on my own personal project. Finally, I'll turn this around. Old ass house. I think the abstract goes back to like 1800s, but anyway, we ended up gutting it down. I've never actually seen one-bys on the outside of walls and the inside, so that's a whole new issue for insulating and whatnot. So that'll be interesting. But right now, jacking the house up, and then just keep moving forward, trying to get this place straightened out because of the beams. And I've got loads of videos that hopefully I can post here. This chimney cutout, they cut out the 6x9 beam, and then they did a heat run there and a heat run over here and a plumbing stack all through that 6x9 beam. You guys, that's why these houses sagged. Like, that's just horrible. And then another 6x9 beam or a 9x9 through there, and that heat run there, and then there's another heat run, well, right at the corner there, but I don't know where my finger's pointing right now, but right there. And yeah, that left 1.25 inches of the beam left, and that's why I basically I've got 3 inches. There's my string line that the house had sagged, and the support post had rotted off in the basement because somebody tried to fix it earlier, but yeah, there you go. But yeah, except like we're actually like ripping out the stuff in the basement too, like the old concrete was all busted up. So did a garage addition on this end of the house. So this is a fun project. Some days I get tired, kind of wore out, but kind of cool things that I've made. The feed conveyor for this guy. Don't mind the beam that I was standing on the other day, putting up beams. So like, here's the new LVLs, headers coming through to fix this other beam that got cut. Like right there, you can see, like, dude, you guys, there's nothing left. There's 1.25 inches left of that nice, basically 8.25 tall by 8.25 wide beam that all the living room joists came in, that supported the second story wall. Insane. But here's the new beam that has to be rated for it, a triple 16-inch. But anyway, get back to the cool things. Like, my boys, they've had some fun clearing out stuff. Out it goes. The little roly-polies, they need some dirt behind it, and then they'll go out. But yeah, insight, I'll try to post more videos soon. Lots of stuff going on, fun stuff, finally working for myself to get this house done. But tune in, a lot more to do, so much going on. All right, we're gonna play. Like and subscribe. I got lots of stuff that could come your way, show you bathrooms I finished. Lots of fun stuff, but all right, let's keep going. Give it 200% every day. Let's go.